Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again, Randy Cycles, with a 2016 Zero SR. This is claiming 67 brake horsepower, 106 foot-pounds of torque. This is a used bike, obviously, and you got a fully adjustable suspension and that instantaneous torque of the electric motorcycle. Aftermarket windscreen, little add-ons here and there. I've ridden a couple Zeros, and the more I do, the more I realize where we're going with electric bikes, to be honest. And once we get charging infrastructure built out for everybody, oh my lord, this is gonna be great. Does have an aftermarket Corbin seat, which I don't know, could be comfortable, could not, I don't know. I'm not gonna know until I ride it. So let's throw a leg. I am 5'9", 220 pounds, and I am on the balls of my feet when I come to a stop. It's in sport mode, and we have 94% battery. I believe this thing said it claimed a battery range of 167 city riding. Well, I don't think it's going to do 167 miles, but this bike brand new was like 16 grand, 15,995 brand new. I was like, that's a lot of money. But I mean, for what you get, that instantaneous torque, I mean, 60 mile an hour, no problems at all. I mean, you figure how much you pay for, you know, gas. Yeah, it might be worth it for some people. My biggest problem with electric bikes is range. I mean, my commute is 38 miles to and then 38 miles from, so I would always be kind of worried about how long is it going to last. I mean, just getting off the jump, we've lost 2% on the battery, and I've gone 2 months. So we'll see in our 10-mile test ride of this bike how much range is left. I do like the ergonomics on this bike. It's quite comfortable. The bars are nice and wide, so that's a plus. It's got more of a sport riding, you know, and feel to it. More sports touring. You're kind of a little bit more into the bike than you would be on a standard bike. The suspension being fully adjustable is really nice, so I can tune it to my weight. It's not that bad right now, to be honest. I mean, this is actually a pretty decent bumpy road. So, but I can feel the bumps on the road. I still haven't gotten over the electric bikes and not having a clutch because I'm always reaching for one. I've found it on a few other videos where I'm like watching it back to make sure the video was good, and yeah, I'm always reaching for the clutch, and it's not there. It's not there, you know, so that's that, you know. If you haven't experienced an electric bike, I highly suggest you try one. Because that instant torque, that instant power delivery is wild. And it's also difficult to get over the fact that there's no engine noise. So while I do have the experience of speed with the wind, it's all wind noise. So I don't, my mind is still, that's full throttle. My mind is still trying to get over and adjust to that there is no, yeah, let's brake. I could pass, but I wanted to check the brakes. They're good. Brakes are good. full throttle. It's full throttle. That's everything it's got. Everything it's got, nothing else. Well, that went about 90 something mile an hour. And like I said, it didn't have anything else. And a nice, nasty crosswind today. Woo. Put it in perspective, right? I mean, it's not, this bike is not built to go super fast. I mean, it goes quickly. It'll get up to speed quickly. But a top speed run is not what this bike is built for. I am a big fan of Zeros and what they will be later on down the line. I mean, right now there's just no infrastructure, and a lot of people like myself, they commute way too much, and a bike like this on a commute just wouldn't work out for me. Let's try 0 to 60. 3, 2, 1. Full throttle. As tucked as I can make it. Power delivery is very linear in the sense that it's automatic. I guess. You know, you twist the throttle and the power just starts and it's there. It's like peak, done. There you go. That's all you got. They're so much fun to ride. But we also went from 94 to 69% in like 10 months. So we lost a lot of battery in that time period. See, right there I went for a clutch and a neutral and there isn't one. Oh boy. There we are. 2016 Zero SR. They're fun. They're a blast to ride. They're quick, they're responsive, they're very nimble. The weight is all down low. It's just, I mean, 452 pounds. I've ridden bikes that weigh less than this, but it doesn't feel like this weighs that much more. And it's just because it's so low down. I like it. I like these bikes a lot. I really do. And once we get the infrastructure, as I said before, God, these things are going to be phenomenal. Everybody, hope you enjoyed it. Special thanks to Randy Cycle for letting us take this out and give it a shot. Everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.